Hello and welcome to this lesson of our C Programming Foundations tutorial series. I'm Reza and I'm happy to have you join me on this journey to mastering the C programming language. Alright, let's talk about strings in this video. So in a C programming, when we say a string, we're basically talking about a bunch of characters in a row. It's like a train of letters, and at the end of this train there's a special character called the null character. It's like the caboose of the train telling you that's the end of the string. C doesn't have a special string type like some other languages. Instead, we use an array of characters to make a string. For example, if you write char greeting equal hello, you've got an array named greeting that stores the letters H, E, L, L, O, and then that null character to mark the end. Here are some key points about strings in C. 1. The null terminator. This null character is super important. It's how C knows where a string ends. Without it, C would just keep reading random memory. 2. String functions. There's this library in C called string.h that's got all these handy functions for doing things with strings like adding them together, comparing them, copying, and finding stuff in them. 3. Reading and printing strings. When you want to get a string from the user, you can use %s with scanf and it will grab a string up to the first space. And when you want to show a string, you use %s with printf. 4. String literals. In C, you can just write out a string in your code by putting it in double quotes like hello world. Alright, so what this program does is pretty cool for starters in strings. This program will initialize a string, print it, and then show the length of the string using a function from the string.h library. When you run this program, it should display the string hello world and its length. This is a basic example, but it shows some fundamental aspects of working with the strings in C. Here is a code challenge for you to get more practice. This program allows the user to input their name, weight, and height. Then it calculates and reports the BMI along with the user's name.